You guys remember this console from Nintendo? Or this one, the GameCube, the one that came before? Now that was then, this is now. Guys, generally on C4E Tech, we take a look at something that you can go out and buy or order online, but not today. Did you know that there's an entire modding community where people take full-sized home consoles and then fit them into small form factors? Now this year, the Gameboy Wii Stone is the work of one such talented modder, Chris Downing, somebody I'm proud to call a friend. This is a full-blown Nintendo Wii that's been cut down and fit into a Game Boy form factor. Neat, right? Let's take a close look. Hey guys, my name's Ash, you're watching C4E Tech, and if you do end up liking this video, well, this time, go out, check out Downing's basement. Let's get started. Chris has been kind enough to let me test drive his Gameboy Wii Stone for a few months. Now guys, you know how much I like handheld consoles. I've got everything from micro-sized consoles like this to big humongous ones like this that run full-fledged Windows and can play AAA titles. There's just something about playing games natively, and to play Mario Kart on this, it's just awesome.
One eternity later.
Now, Chris wasn't the first person to build this. This is more of a community thing. If you head on over to BitBuild forums, you can see a lot of people, putting their heads together, coming up with ideas, and that is how you're able to do things like this. Now, if you actually wanted to build something that looked like this, take a full-fledged console, fit it into a portable form factor, you will be able to, as long as you're okay spending the time and money. More importantly, having the patience for it and the skill set. Now, a lot of things on BitBuild goes way over my head, which is why, I'm never going to attempt a project like this myself. I don't have the skill set for it, but if you do, good for you. You could go ahead and try that. That said, the easiest way to experience GameCube or Wii on a handheld would be with emulation. So you could probably get a Steam Deck or even a GPD Win 3, an Aya Neo, or even some of the newer Android handhelds like the iNode, and you could run GameCube on it without issues. But not having to emulate using the hardware the way Nintendo intended for it to be. Okay. You know what? Nintendo never intended it for it to be used this way. But you get what I'm saying? There is something to gaming on the actual hardware that's so cool, which is where things like this come into play. Now this interface here, that's also community built. You use the right stick to make selections, settings, switch between the GameCube and the Wii. Now for each game you choose, you can configure the controls. Because with this form factor, we don't actually have a physical Wii mode. There is a layer that kind of lets you map each of these controls, each of these buttons to a different Wii mode action. So that's actually pretty cool. Again, community built. And beat it up, this one charges via Type-C. It's got two 18650 batteries, and that frankly is nuts. If you think about it, right? A few years back, we were using this console, plugging it into the wall outlet and playing it on our TVs. Now it's on this small screen in this Game Boy form factor, running off two batteries. I mean, seriously, this is awesome. Okay, 30 squad. I'm pretty sure at least some of you guys remember I covered something similar with a PS2 portable, but that one was too big. It isn't something you could fit in your pocket. This one does. It's light. The form factor is small enough that you could just throw it in a pocket and, okay, you're not gonna forget it exists because it's still big. But then again, to have the full Wii GameCube experience in your pocket, pretty darn cool. Now talking about games in the month that I was MIA, I spent a lot of time playing GameCube games on this. So in a way, you wouldn't be wrong if you blamed Chris Downing for me being MIA. I'm just saying. Anyways, I played a lot of games on this and I thought, hey, maybe I should show you guys that something like this exists. It's just pretty darn cool, right? The amount of work that's gone into it is absolutely insane. Anyways, given that I was lucky enough to get my hands on it, I just wanted to share this with you guys. Just wanted to show you guys there's something so damn cool. Maybe you guys would like seeing about it. If you did, go ahead, check out Chris's channel, Downing's Basement. He's got a lot of weird videos he works on. For example, anybody growing up in the 90s would know of consoles like this, right? Handheld games. Now he's taken an actual Game Boy Advance and fit it into something like this. Or he's got a Nintendo 64 portable. So there's a lot of nice little interesting content there. Go ahead, check it out. And I guess that's pretty much it. I am gonna get back to playing a little bit more with this Gameboy Wii Stone, but sadly, it's gotta get back to Chris soon. So I'm gonna maximize the time I have with it. So hey, keeping this short and simple, thumbs up, thumbs down, subscribe, you know what to do. Thanks for your time, thanks for watching. Till next time, my name's Ash, you've been watching C4E Tech, and I'm signing off for now. You guys have a great day. Bye-bye.